Hello everyone, I'm Stephen Atinsamy from Melbourne. I have a formal background in IT. I pursued and completed my master's degree in business analytics, and I majored in business analytics as well. So several of my courses directly prepared me for the role of business analyst. I started my career into the IT industry through an internship experience that lasted for only 3 months, but still that gave me an edge over the other candidates when I was applying for jobs. So right at the moment, I was working as an analyst in a full-time role that in a reputed organization. Job hunting was a nightmare for me. I was job hunting for 6 months, but I couldn't land a job in the first phase of my job search. But I never stopped trying. I was really determined until I secured a final job for me. I was merely one of the million thrown in the societal pressure to start my career immediately after graduation. I was mentally prepared myself to accept the rejection as job hunting is not straightforward as updating your resume and sending it to as many employers. Even though I applied more than 250 jobs and gone through plenty of rejection and ghosted by recruiters, it sounds really overwhelming, but I always believe that there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. Unique Writing Service, professional writers from Sydney. One of my friends referred to their session at Swinburne University, where I met Siddharth and Nikhil, who explained about their professional writing service. I was really impressed about their work, and which really helped me to go forward with their service. It was a nightmare at the beginning of my job hunting. Even though I applied for plenty of jobs, nothing was working on my way. So after meeting the unique writing service, they explained and guided me how to apply a proper job and how crucial the keywords are to use in the resume. Their services boosted my confidence with job hunting since I started getting calls from the recruiters. Then I realized that the professional resume work from these services that really increased my chance of getting hired in a good position with the IT field. I made 200 plus applications and plenty of phone calls from recruiters, got abundant rejection from bots, and received unsuccessful same messages from numerous employees. Being disciplined is imperative during the job search, but I made sure I followed key strategies to secure this job by only putting the relevant information on the resume, and I made sure that I tailor the resume and put the best stuff and keep it with simple 2 pages. That really helped me to secure the job which I was working for now. On my opinion, I personally secured my first job through their service. I recommend their service for graduates who are really struggling to get their first interview. Getting into Australian job market, it's not easy for many graduates. Building your resume and cover letter at the same time networking with the right people are the key strategies to be followed. Reaching out to recruiters through LinkedIn and always staying hungry until you reach goal are the key strategies to be followed by all the graduates. Good luck for everyone, all the candidates who are looking for the new career.